What about now? Can you guys hear me now? I think I may have had the sound off the whole time. You guys hear me? Alright, cool. I was just talking to myself for like 20 minutes right there. That's pretty stupid. But yeah, we'll start with the Chrome. I was asking what do we want to start with, and no one was responding, so I should have taken the hint that they couldn't hear me. So we're starting with Chrome. As I said, 12 packs, 13 cards a pack, 5 autos. We'll get right to it, boys. Good luck. Here's our first pack. It's gonna kind of, I mean, this is all kind of new to me, so we'll just go right through it. Yeah, a little better angle here. There we go. Jared Weaver. Paul Goldschmidt. Jason Worth. Billy Butler. So we got a refractor here. Ryan Braun. I've heard of that guy. He's got the refractoring here. We got something red underneath it. Oh, we got something backwards. Let's just see what this is numbered at all. Yeah, this one's out of 500. There in the corner. 468 out of 500 Ryan Braun refractor. And let's see this. Don't know exactly how these are orientated. Kyle Crick. I think this might be an auto. Nope, it's a... Oh, wait. I think that's facsimile. It's definitely not on the card. Those are these facsimile auto refractor deals. Yeah. Just like an old school kind of insert there. Got some Tario Estrada, if that's how you say it. Shea Simmons, Keen Wong, Gosuke Kato, Franklin Barreto, Ryan Castile, Akeem Bostic. Yeah, it's facsimile. I think I got fooled by one of the first shows I did. I saw a nice Ichiro one of those, and I didn't really look at it that hard. I was like, wow, Ichiro auto for like $3, sweet. This is one of those facsimile guys. Okay, so here's our next pack. Andrelton Simmons, Anthony Rendon, Yu Darvish, Prince Fielder. Got some sort of green dealio here. Wilmer Alberto. Looks like a green refractor of some kind. Let's see what's under it real quick. Looks like we got a die cut here. And we got a die cut. Crazy looking die cut. Mark Apple. Oh, I've seen these die cuts here. Get that sleeved. The other one's in sleeves too in a second. But I'll just see what this numbering is on here, if there is. Nice. 27 out of 75. No idea if he's good or not. Wilmer Alberto Phillies. Nice green refractor there. Nice looking card. Back to it here. Trey Arbit. Austin Nola. Brandon Dixon. Ryan Hafner. Matt Whitehouse. Fred Lewis. Dylan Unsworth. I don't have any autos yet. Looking for 5. What's up everyone else that's joined in since I started? Haven't hit any of the autos in the Bowman yet. We just started, so Carlos Gonzalez. Eric Hosmer. Or Kosmer. I can't tell if it's a K or an H. H, yeah. Hosmer. Verlander. Heard of him. Puig. Heard of him. Got some blue stuff coming up here. Gio Gonzalez. Let's see what's behind here real quick. Something. I just want to see what the numbering is on this. One's at a 250. 244 at a 250. Get these all in sleeves in a second. We got another one of these die cuts here. Different. Dueling die cuts. Austin Meadows, Clint Frazier. Might have to. Pittsburgh and the Indians might have to random that one up. Cool looking die cut. Yeah. Ryan Kusmal. Jacoby Jones. Brevik Valera. That's how you say it, I have no idea. Jose Ramirez. Michael Ullman. Robert Whalen. Tim Berry. Yeah, no autos yet. Some die cuts and some refractors. So who's our big guy in this? Is probably Abreu, right? Is the big rookie auto in this? So I'd imagine. Let's see. Hisashi Iwakuma. Brandon Belt. Matt Kemp. Gregory Polanco. He's on the cover of the box. John Lester. Let's see what we got. We got another die cut here. Edison Russell. Just like a regular die cut. Yep. Edison Russell die cut. Get those all sleeved in a second, and I think might have our first auto. Let's see. Yeah, there's our first auto. Pirates. Ryan Hafner. Between Ryan Hafner. Let's get these focus. Focus. Looks like a prospect to me. There we go. Ryan Hafner. He's sleeved up. Carlos Contreras. Alberto Torrado. Willie Garcia. Richard Urena. Some of the fonts on these makes it hard to see if it's a K or an H. Definitely an H. Isaiah Kiner Falafa. Jamie Westbrook. Sorry if I'm butchering the names, I just don't know them. We got our one auto so far. Okay. I hate that one, doesn't focus. George Springer is just base, not too important just yet. Chase Utley, Wilmer Flores, Matt Carpenter, all prospects. Okay. Carpenter, Pablo Sandoval. We got this mini card here, Jonathan Gray. It's like a mini refractor, it seems like. No numbering on it. It's got the refractoring color. It's mini. I think this is our next auto, maybe. Jason Martin. Let's see. Yep. Jason Martin, outfielder. Astros. Sleeved up. bit of marking on the auto on that one, a little bit of mark on the side. Not too bad though. Chris Heston, Jeff Ames, Harold Ramirez, Luis Severino, Bobby Wall, Logan Backham. So we got 2 autos so far. 3 more. Edinson Volquez, Adani McAvaria, Fernando Rodney, Jake Peavy, Roned Oder? Oder? It's a weird one. I thought football names were weird. Some crazy baseball ones too. Got another one of these dueling die cuts. We got Chris Bryant, Colin Moran. These ones will probably have to be randomized if they're not a majority owner. Do that at the end if we need to. Let's get them sleeved up. Colin Moran, Chris Bryant, and then it looks like we potentially have our next auto. What's that, a 500 maybe? 269 out of 500. Lavon Washington. Le'Veon Bell, what? Yeah, it's an auto. Lavon Washington, Indians. Or, yeah. Indians auto as refractor style. At a 500. Going to the Indians. We got Joe Wendell, Tim Cooney, Yimi Garcia, Cody Reed, Jose Urena, Andrew Thurman. Okay, next pack. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, we got Tony Singrani. Chris Davis, Taiwan Walker, Justin Upton. Just got a refractor thingy, yeah, one of these little mini guys. Clint Frazier, mini Bowman Chrome card. I don't think it's numbered. Let me see. Nope. Just a mini. John Ryan Murphy. Corey Nabel, Michael O'Neill, Devin Williams, Tyler Marlette, Gabriel Noah, Tyler Mall, Jason Martin. Okay. Next pack. 2 more autos in this one. Chrome. And we'll do Tribute next, and then we'll do Supreme, since that's just got 2 autos in it. Adrian Gonzalez. Let me get a little focus here. Felix Hernandez. I've heard of these guys. Marcus Simeon. CC Sabathia. There's an Abreu rookie. If that's a numbered one. No, not numbered on that. Nice rookie though. Ah. Alexander Guerrero. I think this is one of these facsimile style refractors. Yeah. What's his name again? Alexander Guerrero, Dodgers. Facsimile style auto. And then we got, I think this is our auto here, 24 out of 25. Ryan McNeil. Let's see if it's an auto or just a refractor. Oh, it's an auto. Cubbies. Ryan McNeil. Cubs, 24 out of 25. Is that good? I have no idea. Okay. Spencer Patton. Looks like some base now. Aaron Brooks. Jeff McNeil. Johnny Field. Nathan Mikolas. Ryan McNeil again. I'm in, bro. Here's our next pack. Who's that JM? I'm trying to think who is JM. Okay. Starling Marty, Tim Hudson, Billy Hamilton, Dominic Brown, Giordano Ventura. Got another one of these dual dice. I'm just gonna, I don't want to reveal the auto just yet, so you guys be surprised instead. This dual one is Henry Owens and Gary Sanchez, Red Sox and Yankees dueler. I have to random these off. Dual dies. I think this is our last auto here. Edwin Moreno. Let's see, Padres. Yeah, this should be our fifth. Edwin Moreno, Padres auto. Edwin Moreno. Let's get this other guy in a sleeve real quick. Okie doke. I think that's all our autos. We got 3 more packs to go, and just look through these here. Franmil Reyes, Kelly Dugan, Jose Rondon, Ben Lively, Levon Washington, Luigi Rodriguez. It's me, Luigi. Okay, 3 more packs to go here. Nice, the McNeil 30 to 60. Sounds good to me. Okay, Cliff Lee. Oop, card stuck to that one. Nick Castellanos, Daniel Murphy, Matt Garza, Jordan Zimmerman. Got another one of these facsimiles. Rowdy Tele. Looks like we might have an extra auto here. All these facsimile guys. Blue Jays. Like how these chromes, they don't come out warped like the Topps football chrome do. Looks like we might have another auto here. I think we've hit 5 already, haven't we? Cody Reed. Let's see. KC Royals. Cody Reed. I think that's 6 autos, huh? There's a lot of cards. It's hard to keep track. Let's see. Cody Reed. Count them up after we get through them. Elvis, something or other. Arroyo. Stuart Turner. Chad Pinder. Cam Perkins. Jose Pujols. Jake Sanchez. 2 more packs. Yeah, I think we have 6. I'll count them real quick after done with this. You know, at the end, I'll look and see if we have to run them off some of those die cuts. Let's see. Chris Davis, Oscar Tavares, Jay Bruce, Pedroia, Curtis Granderson. Got another one of these dual die cuts. Rafael Montero, Michael Franco, Mets and Phillies. Way to give us teams that are all scattered around. We got to randomize all these probably. Die cuts. Felix Jorge, Ariel Soriano, Amaris Minier, Wilmer Alberto, Jonathan Maya, Rafael Medina, Sebastian Vader. One more pack of the Chrome, and then we'll do Tribute, and then we'll do that Supreme. I do have a lot of game used in autos, kind of like lower end stuff I can give you guys for hitless bonuses as well if you don't get one. A little sweeten the pot. Okay, Max Scherzer, Alexi Ramirez, John Lackey. We got some gold coming up. Chase Headley. Got one of these minis here. Billy Hamilton mini. And we got a gold Chris Tillman Orioles. It looks probably going to be numbered, I would guess. 6 out of 50. Kind of hard to see that. It went out of focus. Do Supreme next? Okay, yeah, we'll do Supreme next. This one's a 6 out of 50 gold style refractor. Chris Tillman. It doesn't want to focus. Get this boy sleeved up. Orioles refractor. Tario Estrada, Ariel Soriano, Amaris Minier, Wilmer Alberto, Jonathan Maya, Rafael Medina, Sebastian Vader. Same kind of base. Just want to check and see real quick how many autos we got in there. I think we got 6. Real autos, not facsimile ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Did we even get 7? No, 6. There's a bunch of refractors before those. Nice. 6 autos. Sounds good to me. This guy's not sleeved up. There we go. Nice. Love getting the extra hits. Okie doke. Put those aside. These die cuts and such. Do the Supreme next, like Jake requested of me. Just get a couple more sleeves out. I dropped all my other ones and they're all dirty now, so I gotta get new ones. Okay. We'll do the Supreme real quick. Just 2. It's just 1 pack and 2 cards, so 2 autos. Go through this real quick. 2 autograph cards per box. 2014 Supremo. Good luck, guys. Lots of different combinations of stuff can be pulled out of this. They say there's a heavy weighted towards duals and triples, so maybe we'll get a cool dual or triple auto. Nice little box here. Nice, not a clear package. I like that felt line box. Nice. Okay, so here's our pack. Supreme pack, 2 autos. Good luck, guys. My first Supreme. I haven't done any football Supreme. Actually, no, I've done a couple. Let's see what we get. This nice and softly. Okay, here's the big reveal. Let's see what we got. Whoa! What the hell is this? Chase Whiteley. Gold die cut auto, 15 out of 25, Yankees. Big thick old die cut there. Chase Whiteley, is that good? Seems pretty sweet. Whoa, don't want to reveal that too soon. I just put this card to the side. I'm going to get this in a sleeve and then we'll check out the other hit. This might need an extra fatty. Oh no, we're good. Good on a standard one. Okay, Chase Whiteley. Okay, then our next card. I can't even read it. Albert Bell. Auto is kind of whacked there. It's like off the sticker a bit. 19 out of 45. Albert Bell. Looks like a vintage dude. Yeah, I don't think I've heard of him. Past, present, future. Outfielder for the Indians. Looks like a while ago, judging by the pick. Cards are pretty sweet looking. Here's our Supreme real quick. Chase Whiteley, 15 out of 25, Supreme Styling, die cut auto for the Yankees. With all that gold on there, I thought there might have been like some real gold on it or something. That would have been sick. And then the other one is our Albert Bell, the Indians. Put our hits aside. I like the cards, they're cool looking cards. Kinda sucks there's just 2, but okay, so here's our trib. We got 6 packs, there's a hit a pack. At least 4 autos, I believe it is. Yeah, on the checklist it says 4 autos and then 2 relics. Doesn't exactly say on the box, but 1 autographed or relic card numbered to 99 or less per pack. 6 packs. So we'll get right to it, boys. Good luck on this. Let me know if you guys like the baseball break. I still have no idea exactly what's going on, but cards seem pretty cool. I have absolutely no idea what's going on. If there's like a vintage guy, I mean, I think I can tell who the Albert Bell was, but you come at me when we see some Mickey Mantles. Yeah, we'll just pull these right out of the box like this, how they sit. All 6 are in there. We'll go right at it here. Good luck, everyone. If you guys don't have, I think probably most of you guys have your mailing address sent to me, so don't know how this is. Well, looks like we got some sort of Ernie Banks here. I don't know if this is going to be a hit or not. Open it up, pack up backwards, and the card is facing me, so yeah, it's just a base. Ernie Banks, that would have been sick auto or patch. Ernie's the man. Let's see what our hit is. George Kell. I've heard of him. Whoa. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't think that's our hit. There's another. That's a base card. Yeah, okay. The base hide the hit. I see now. Let's see what we got for our hit then. It's a bat piece. Angels. Mike Trout. I've heard of him. 31 out of 50. Mike Trout. Definitely heard of him. You got a bat piece here. Too bad it wasn't an auto. That would have been nice. Mike Trout. Tribute Titans. Game used memorabilia. Certified Tribute Titans relic card. Cool. Need a big name right now for show. Okay, I see that George Kell. Base card as well. Nice looking base. Yeah, that's a cool first pack. Here's our next one. You got two base that cover up the hit now. Oh no. Is that you, Roger, that hit that? Angels? Oh yeah, nice work, buddy. So our base card, we got a Bob Feller. And we got a Derek Jeter. There's our Bob. No numbering or anything on that, just base. And here's our Jeter. And we'll see our hit first before we just check out the base here. Oh, it's a redemption. Redemptions just follow me wherever I go here. Come on, be a good one. Reggie Jackson? That's pretty good. There's our Jeter. Jeter base. Reggie Jackson, tribute to the pastime, autograph gold parallel. That's Oakland, if I'm not mistaken. A's. Yeah, that's cool. That's a cool Reggie. Going to, yeah, I can't figure it out right now. Let's see. So many names. We'll figure that out later. Cool hit. Okay. There's our third pack. So our base cards, Johnny Bench. Ted Williams. Let's see what this Johnny, yeah. This regular base. Ted Williams. Heard of all these guys. Let's see what our next hit is. Tribute Tradition. Brandon Phillips, 42 out of 50. On card auto. For Cincinnati. What's that? 42 out of 50. Yankees for Reggie. Brandon Phillips. That's, these cards are sweet looking. I don't think there's really anything that looks like this football wise, really. It's cool. Nice. 42 out of 50 on card auto. Okie doke. So 3 more packs here. Was Reggie on the Athletics set at one point? Yankees, I guess, was his. That's where he ended his career. Probably where he's most famous for. Here's our base here, Ozzie Smith. Haven't seen any of these being numbered, so I don't expect any of them to be. Maybe they are. Andrew McCutchen. That's a newer guy. Our next hit. Let's see what we got here. Someone. It's a relic. Paul Goldschmidt. Oh, that one. That Andrew McCutchen is numbered. I'll take a look at that in a sec. 65 out of 99. Looks like a jersey piece. Or pants or something. See what, if it says what it is. Doesn't say exactly. Paul Goldschmidt, 65 out of 99. Yeah. Yeah, Reggie, he was on that A's for sure, but card itself is a Yankee, you're saying, so yeah, definitely going to Yankees. Paul Goldschmidt. I have no idea what team that is. It shows how out of the loop I am. Diamondbacks. Wow. I say it's crazy. Oh yeah, D-backs. I see it now. Nice, nice hit. These next 2 packs should just be autos. I'll just take them both out here. And nothing else special in the box. Okay, so here's our last 2 packs, guys. Good luck. These seem to be pretty sweet cards. I like them. I know almost nothing about baseball, but cards look sweet. Okay. So here's our base. Oh yeah, let me just show you that. McCutcheon, that was a numbered one. 25 out of 99. Pittsburgh. Numbering up there in the top right. Alright, Jacoby Ellsbury, base card. Let's see if we got any numbering. Nope, just regular base. Robin Yount. Let's see what we got for our next hit. Pablo Sandoval, nice. No, he's coming to the Red Sox now. 62 out of 99. It's a good one, right? Robin Yount, base card. Must have no idea if these guys are like popular anymore or not, but I mean, Panda, man, come on, Panda. Sweet one on card auto too. I like the look of these cards, are sweet. 62 out of 99. Yeah, very nice. Pretty sweet box. Okay, so here's our last pack, boys. Good luck to everyone. Let's see if we can pull another nice hit here. Thanks everyone ahead of time for joining in this first baseball break that I'm doing. Kind of a risk for me since I haven't done them before. Al Kaline, base. Let's see if we got any numbering. Nope. Just regular base. David Wright. And then our last hit of the tribute box. Let's see what we get. Something. Can't even read that. Luis Gonzalez. Diamondbacks. On card auto. 8 out of 45. Definitely like the look of these cards, are slick. D-backs. D-bags. Damn. If you guys would get skunked, I got quite a few game used in autos of baseball that I can send your way. Ease the pain. Luis Gonzalez. I'm gonna run through all the hits we got now. So, is our Luis Gonzalez is our last one. We got our Pablo Sandoval out of 99. Paul Goldschmidt relic out of 99. On card auto, Brandon Phillips, 42 out of 50. Got a redemption here, Reggie Jackson. Going to the Yankees. Card is in a Yankees uniform, as I was informed, so unscratched. Reggie, nice. There we got our Mike Trout, was starting it off. 31 out of 50 bat piece. Trout. Then going to our Supreme, Albert Bell, 19 out of 45. Auto cut off a little bit there, kind of a bummer there. 19 out of 45. Chase Whiteley, die cut auto, 15 out of 25. Yankees. Run through, here's all our Bowman. Ryan Hafner. Jason Martin. Levon Washington, that one's out of 50, I thought. Oh no, 500, excuse me. 500 refractor auto. And we got these orange Ryan McNeil. Had a 24 out of 25, that one was. Auto, Cubbies. Padres, we had Edwin Moreno, auto. And then our last auto was Cody Reed. Let me just take a look at those die cuts real quick and see who they need to go to. 1 second, guys. That one. I got a few of them here. There, 4 of them. Let me just check real quick, guys, who needs to be getting these. Red Sox Yankees is probably Derek and Jason. So let me just make a mark of this. Jason, Derek going for the Owen Sanchez die cut. Okay, Pirates or Indians, let's see. JTC with Pirates. Cleveland Indians, Dustin. So Dustin and JTC going for the Meadows Frazier. Marlins, Cubs. That's Nick. Cubs, Dustin. Moran and Bryant. Yeah, it's a pretty good break. Thanks for joining. Sorry you got skunked. I'll send you a nice relic or auto there in your package. I can't remember who you are. I forgot. Either way, I'll figure it out, who went hitless and whatnot. But okay, let me just. That last die cut is Mets and Phillies. 1 second, guys. Mets is Mike. Phillies. Dustin's in a share of all of these freaking die cuts almost. Montero and Franco. Go. Okay. I'm just gonna blast through some randomizations here. So 1 second, and I'll blast through all these boys. All these die cuts. Okay, doke. So our first one we'll do Derek. Yeah, so Derek and Jason. We'll go alphabetical. So Derek, Jason, going for that one die cut. Randomize this 7 times. Whoever ends up on top will get it. They're going for the Owens and Sanchez die cut. So here we go, guys. 7 times. Jason. Oh, it's not really showing. Darn it. Okay, well, we're going to have to restart that because that completely failed. Derek, Jason, I don't know what happened there. Screen cap. Okay, that should be better. Okay, here we go. 7 times on this, guys. Hopefully it'll stay up this time. Here we go. Good luck. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 7. Jason gets that die cut. Jason gets his Yankees die cut. Going to Jason. Okay. Jason. Word. Okay, next one. Do some more. So now we'll do that Meadows, Frazier. That's JTC and Dustin. I'll go Dustin. And we'll put just JTC first. Jonathan T. Sislo. So here we go, guys. 7 times for the Frazier and Meadows die cut. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hasn't moved for a while. Let's see what happens. Oop. Dustin goes up to the top. So Dustin on that die cut. Meadows, Frazier, Dustin. Okay, next. I'll do the Moran and Bryant. That one's Nick and Dustin. Dustin will go on top again. Dustin and Nick. So here we go, guys, for the Bryant Moran die cut. 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 7. Dustin. Dustin on that last click mojo. Moran and Bryant die cut. Dustin. Okay, so the Montero and Franco's the last one. And that's between Dustin again. Oh yeah, Dustin was in on 3 of these. So Dustin and Mike. Dustin goes on top again since he's alphabetically first. Mike. Okay. 7 times, guys, for the Montero Franco die cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Mike. Mike beats out Dustin this time. Mike gets that die cut. Okie doke. So we're all done with all the randoms. Thanks everyone for joining. I think this baseball was pretty cool. I don't know if you guys liked it, but I think it's pretty nice. I'll do some more in the future if you guys want it. Thanks again for joining, guys. See you around next time. Thanks a lot.